So it seems like ever since last week, Meta connections with GoHighLevel have been breaking frequently. You connect them, they break again. This never seemed to be a problem with HighLevel before. One of the reasons I started using HighLevel. And I'm going to show you how to fix it in this video, a sure way to fix it every time. And let's start by going into integrations. And the first thing you're going to want to do is check this right here. Make sure it's connected to the right ad account. Then you're going to click Manage Page. So scroll down, find your page. There's no search here, which would be super helpful, right? So once you found it, make sure it's checked. Make sure no other Instagram, Facebook pages are checked, and make sure you have all leads here, not just the new leads. Update and continue. The next thing you're going to want to do is double check the ad account. I'm sorry, yeah, it's going to jump up this field mapping, and sometimes it breaks, sometimes it doesn't. Make sure it's good, then go back to integrations, and let's see what we're dealing with. Sometimes this gets knocked out, the ad account, so you'll have to reselect that as well. Then you go to settings here, right? And double check this, make sure it's connected. Don't cancel, hit connect. Then go there again, and make sure you do Instagram and Messenger. I didn't know they called it Instagram Messenger. That's awesome. And then obviously if you have shops, go ahead and reconnect that, which I don't. The next thing you're going to want to do is before you connect it in social, you want this done over here in the integrations. Then go over to social. Best way to check this to see if it's working or not is see if a post went through, right? So you can see today is what, the 20th, right? So you can see on the 13th, Facebook went down and we had failed posts here, and then it worked again. Then it went down again yesterday and we have failed posts. So what you need to do here is go into the settings, check that first, and hit your reconnect. Fun. I wish I could pause the video right now, but you know, Loom just breaks when you go into Facebook. They don't allow any recording. It's lovely. All right, continue as Micah. Can't even blur that out. Okay, connected. We're good. So we see it connected there, and then I need to reconnect my Instagram. Hopefully I don't get demonetized for not blurring out everything, but these are all businesses. They don't care if I advertise them. I've not shared anybody's personal information. So hopefully the YouTube bots can see that. Let's roll, but it's connected, right? Okay, so the next thing to do is to actually just test a post, because I've actually seen it where it says it's connected here and it's still failing. So what you're going to want to do is get back. I'm going to get back to the social calendar where we had these posts failed. And here's the easiest way to test it. So my Facebook, Instagram, these stories all failed. All you do, the easiest way is to clone it. All right. And go ahead and post it. Let me double check, make sure that that's a real. Perfect. Post now. Okay, and just go back and do that for all of them. It may take a few minutes. 8 a.m. Okay, so we had one. We have another one. Oh, I'm sorry, that was 21st. Oops, my bad. Let me go back and let's hit today, which is the 20th. We got the did we do the Instagram one? Let's see, scheduled. In progress. That's the Facebook. So let me do the Instagram post. So you want to do the Instagram post and the Facebook post. I'm going to post it now. And hopefully, if everything's reconnected, both of those posts will go through and the stories. And you should see in progress here. I've noticed that for like a half an hour. It used to go like instantly. So there's obviously some issues with with the Meta API connection. So I hope this helped you reconnect all your socials. If you had 200 plus accounts like I did, last week was ruined, and it looks like this week too. So hope this helps somebody out there. Have a great day.